The world of engineering is vast and rewarding. It constantly strives for the persistence of progress. Today, the possibilities of the precision machined components are limitless, and the demand for reliable machining companies is more than ever before. Innovative Mould Works, the promise of precision. Let us share with you the remarkable story of this exemplary company that attained extraordinary growth and conquered the world market, all thanks to its top-notch quality products. In the year 2000, two visionary passionate entrepreneurs, Mr. Sunil Gajar and Mr. Jignesh Sachania, came together and founded Innovative Mould Works. Their courage, forward-thinking, inspiring leadership and business ethics has transformed this company into India's leading manufacturer of precision components today. Company's highly advanced, sophisticated and centrally air-conditioned production unit is spread across a massive area of 100,000 square feet in Rajkot, Gujarat, India. The product portfolio is made of a wide range of superior quality, customized machined components that depicts utmost precision and accuracy as well as promises exceptional performance. From drawings to delivery, it is a one-stop destination for component development with an expert ability to work on the most complex parts. These products cater to many industries such as railways, oil and gas, transmission, pumps and valves, general engineering and many others. Innovative Mould Works is an ISO 9001-2015 certified company with latest machineries and world-class technology that acts as the backbone of the company. The entire production facility is brilliantly developed and exclusive departments are created to avoid any interference between any two tasks. There are best in industry vertical machining centers. Horizontal machining centers, and CNC turning centers. The first step of manufacturing is to develop the exact design of the fixtures that matches the specifications of the client. Then best quality casting material is procured from a reliable suppliers. Once the raw material is thoroughly checked, it is sent for various machining jobs as per the need of the product. At every stage of production, proper quality tests are carried out by our experienced professionals using various quality check instruments like CMM, (2D) and dial height gauge, granite surface plate, profile projector, surface roughness tester, and numerous vernier calipers and micrometers. At last, the machined parts are assembled and sent for final quality inspection, followed by packaging and dispatch. Innovative Mould Works has employed some of the most skilled and knowledgeable minds in the business. There are more than 150 qualified engineers committed to serve the customers in the best way possible. Also, the employees are periodically imparted training about the latest developments of the industry. The safety, welfare and happiness is always given priority. Since trust is so important in the precision machining industry, Innovative Mould Works is committed to building long-term business relationships with all its clients on the foundation of great products and honest business practices. The products are tremendously successful not only in the domestic market but also internationally. Since the company exports to many countries across the globe, over the years, Innovative Mould Works has earned many awards and accolades given by the prestigious Engineering Export Promotion Council of India. The consistently increasing turnover, the developed expertise to successfully make any type of machined component, the unwavering trust and support of the clients, the reputation and recognition earned in the global market. These are all just the beginnings. Innovative Mould Works, the machining expert.